Let's look at question number 20 from the May 2016 release of the Algebra 1 STAAR test. Let's go ahead and read the problem. A manager purchased a total of 21 coffee mugs and keychains. Each coffee mug costs $8.50 and each keychain costs $2.75. If the manager spent a total of $132.50, how many coffee mugs did the manager purchase? Okay, so we're just looking for the number of coffee mugs purchased, but along the way we need to also calculate the number of keychains. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up the first equation. Okay, so let's go ahead and say K is going to represent the number of keychains purchased. So keychains purchased. Okay, and then let's let M equal number of coffee mugs. Coffee mugs purchased. Okay, so we know that K plus M equals 21. Okay, so we have two unknowns, number of keychains purchased and number of coffee mugs purchased. So in order to solve for two unknowns, we need to have two equations, at least two equations in those two unknowns. Okay, so we have one of the two equations, and let's go ahead and find the other one. Okay, so the next one's going to involve the cost of the coffee mugs and the total amount we spent. Okay, so looking at the keychains, we're going to have each keychain is $2.75 per keychain plus $8.50, okay, per coffee mug, for each coffee mug, and we know we spent, or the manager spent, $132.50. Okay, so we can either solve this using a calculator or algebraically. So let's go ahead and continue on solving this one algebraically. Okay, so we're going to use the substitution method. All right, so we're going to take our first equation and we're going to solve for K. So if we take K plus M equals 21, and we subtract 21 from both, subtract M from both sides. Okay, and we end up with K equals 21 minus M. Okay, now we're going to take our second equation and we're going to substitute for K. So we have 2.75, and we're going to replace our K here with 21 minus M. Okay, and write the rest of our equation. Second equation, we have plus 8.5 M equals 132.50. Okay, so we're down to, we have the second equation and we were down to one variable now. Okay, so we should be able to solve for that one variable. Okay, so we're going to multiply, go ahead and distribute our 2.75 to 21. So 2.75 times 21, it's going to give us 57.75. So we have 57.75 minus 2.75 times negative M, which gives us negative 2.75 M plus 8.5 M, which equals 132.50. Okay, so let's go ahead and combine our like terms here. We have a negative 2.75 and 8.5. So together, that's going to give us 5.75. So now we have 57.75 minus or actually plus 5.75 M, which equals 132.50. Okay, we're going to add, I'm sorry, subtract 57.75 from both sides. Which gives us 74.75. And we still have on the left side 5.75 M. Okay, so we have one last step here. We need to divide both sides by 5.75. So we have 74.75 divided by 5.75, which equals 13. So M equals 13. So there were 13 coffee mugs purchased by the manager. So if we purchase 13 coffee mugs, and we know K plus M equals 21, that means 8 keychains were purchased. But the question here is just asking us for a number of coffee mugs, which is 13.